Hello guys, and today is a very early morning. It's 5 a.m. as you see, and I'm ready for a journey, for a small journey, about I don't know, 200 miles to one way, and we're going to take the engine and go to the workshop, to the professional workshop where there are guys that are preparing engines, racing engines for drag racing, rally, Dakar and stuff like that. Okay, now I'm gonna show the engine, how it looks at this moment. What damage do we have? So we're ready for transport. See my logo. So everything is separated. Generator, starter, supercharger, that wheel here, and here's the engine with the gearbox together. Okay, so let's see. We have damage here in this cylinder head, in this piston actually. This one is okay. This one has damage too, and that one is okay. So we have two piston damages, and that side is good. That one is okay. So what actually happened? What we know at this moment, we have valve problem. So we have two valves, as you see here, that were broken. So we're gonna have to change all valves, I think so, and two pistons, and we'll see what we're gonna do more, but I think that's it. So it's not a very tragic thing, but we're gonna lose a lot of time and lots of money, but I think this beast is gonna run. Stop! So I'm looking for parts here, but this door is not good for me, and we have lots of challenges here that are wrecked, and this was burned. So we'll find parts that are good, and we're gonna buy it. So we came to the junkyard for parts for the Challenger. So you see we have wrecked Challengers, but we have normal parts that are okay. So I bought this door, which is okay. We're gonna paint it, so this is not a problem, it's just a scratch. And I bought this part. I paid for this one 300 euros and 450 euros for the door. So this is a Mopar garage. We have some challies here. As you see, we have a United States flag. Some challies, some parts. So I came here to buy parts, new ones. This guy has new parts for Challengers. There's the Challenger ready for sale, but the guy said that he's gonna keep it. And now I bought a bumper. There's a bumper and a flare. and a tail light. Original one, a Mopar. The Mopar one. So hello guys, as you saw in the previous videos I showed everything about my engine and the journey. So as we know, at this moment the engine is damaged, so this is not a good news, but another good news is that I found the workshop where guys will fix my engine. So yesterday was a very long day. We traveled about 400 miles, so it's about 700 kilometers. To transport the engine to another city, and as you saw, the engine has damaged. So there's two pistons that we have to change. I think all valves are going to be changed, and I think we will change them to performance one, something better, something stronger, and I don't know. So. The specialist who will fix the engine, he said that it's not a very big problem, the engine is fixable, and he will tell me soon what kind of other parts I have to order. I think we will change the timing set, the gaskets, everything's going to be new, and if it's possible we will change all the parts that needs to be changed to performance parts. So in the future I could boost up my engine to more horsepower. I think the first season I will drive it in stock because I want to test it. I want to see how the engine works. I want to feel the stock power, to test everything in stock power, that I could go on and on. So now I have more costs. I will tell you how much at this moment my car costs. So I bought a rear bumper, and the rear bumper costed me $287. $287. And it would be about 260 euros. What else? I bought front flares. They are very cheap. They costed only $122. $122, and it would be about 110 euros. What else? I bought back tail lights. So for two I paid 250 euros, and it would be about 275 American dollars. I'm talking about American dollars. What else? I bought a door. As you saw, I went to a junkyard where challengers are tearing apart, and the parts were selling, the good ones actually. So the door was but I paid actually 450 euros for the door, and plus 50 euros for the handle. Yeah, so it would be about, in dollars, it would be about $550. $550. What else? Back flare. One back flare, as you saw, the red one. I bought it for 300 euros, and it would be about $330 American dollars. Okay, and what else? Engine transportation. So I took a friend, I gave him money for the fuel, and it costed about $60 or $50. So maybe about 50 euros or something like that. And it was about $55. So at this moment, that's how much cost I have. As you see in the first section, we have auction price 21,700, shipping and taxes 4.4, almost $1,000 for the filter and the front bumper, the engine out. I paid $1,000, 100. Here is the rear bumper, front flares, back tail lights, door, back flares, engine transportation. So other costs. Actually, I don't know at this moment. So I'm telling you everything that I spent. And in total, as you see, in total, at this moment, I have spent $29,418 American dollars, and it would be about 26,677 euros. So at this moment, that sum of money spent, as you see. So not very. I don't know. It's not very much, or maybe it's too much. I don't know. But as you see, that kind of sum is spent, and the car is still not fixed. I bought a bunch of parts, and we will see how much the engine rebuild will cost me, everything. So in the next video, I think we're gonna show everything else, because I think I will buy other parts, because I don't have a front hood. It's damaged too, so I have to change, and maybe I will know some costs for the paint job and other stuff. So at this moment, that's it. So thank you guys for watching my video, and if you're interested in my HELLCAT rebuild journey, let's go together, and subscribe this channel, press the notification bell, and you won't miss any videos. So in the next video I will show you something new, something more interesting. I think the next video I will upload the engine rebuild cost, the paint job, and stuff like that. See you in another video, guys.